Looks like we got things working. Okay. So it's been a while since I've made a video, but was that a 550? So I might sell this car. It's up for sale actually now, because I'm thinking about getting a BMW 550i with a tune, like a handheld tuner, and some downpipes. Apparently you can make a lot of power. Went and test drove one, a stock one with an M package, an executive package, and like a driver assist package or some bullshit like that. And it was alright, it was quick, it was nice. But I went and test drove another one that the dude had a stage 2. I think it's called a Boot Mod 3 tune on it, and it pulled like a fucking tractor, my guy. So I don't know, I know it's gonna be a little sketch. I want it to be at least a 2014 and up for the N63 or N62 or whatever the fuck it is with the TU. That's when they did the technical upgrade and did some reinforcements and stuff. This thing's pretty quick. I put my stock shift knob back on. I had the RTR one on there, but I don't know, I was thought about changing it. A little change up. It's getting kind of boring. I don't know, man. Just out here doing weird shit. Keep getting contacted from scammers on Craigslist. Crazy fucking scams. Acting interested in the car and then asking you to give them a VIN report from some weird website. And I'm pretty sure the way it works is they own the website and you use your credit card or whatever, and they get your card info. I got like maybe 7 or 8 of those the first day I posted it. And it was kind of fun. After a while, you know, they would act all interested and ask these questions, and then set up a day to come see it. And they're like, oh yeah, send me the VIN report at shady-ass-website.vin. So that was fun. Yeah, I'm a little, you know, I don't necessarily want to sell it. It is a fun car, the GT. It's just quick enough stock. But I don't know, it's time for a change, I guess. Look at that, I'm gonna get one of those. See my big old butt getting out of one of those. But I don't know if that's like a 530 or 40 or something. Oh, it's a 550. Alright. Definitely needs a rear diffuser, maybe a trunk deck lid. the way this thing sounds. Res delete, muffler delete, stock cat still on there. I used to go to that Toys R Us right there when I was a kid. That used to be a Toys R Us. That was the first Toys R Us I ever went to, I think. They're gone now, which is depressing. Shout out to Toys R Us, man. Speaking of Toys R Us, my brother just recently bought me a Switch. He bought a Switch for himself, and it was neat. And then he started buying a bunch of other shit with it. He started buying controllers, and he bought like the original Super Nintendo controller. Look at that. You know, it'd be sick if this thing like wasn't recording this whole time. Like if the audio wasn't working. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. Thing sounds sick. I do enjoy doing a second gear rolling burnout. Let's see if we can do a little one here. Man, something, I know there's faster cars and stuff out there, but something about a rear-wheel drive V8, man, is... I wonder if we left any marks. I want to get outside footage. You know what, maybe I'll set up the tripod. See how much time's left in the SIM card. Yeah, let's do that. This is a good street. Let's get a little set up. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. We'll get you set up. Holy shit. Fuck. Alright, well, I'm back now. Gotta sell this thing before it gets wrecked. Probably shouldn't be doing videos like that, doing burnouts right before I'm gonna sell it. But anyway, it's the last of the video probably. That was the first burnout I've ever done doing a brake stand. I think it went alright for the first time. Pretty exciting, I guess, but that's probably gonna be the end of the video now. Maybe I'll post more, maybe I won't. Who cares anyway? You feel me? Later, fuckers.